Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got painted polish Ochre Moon and stamping plate XY-D003 and Maniology Pewter. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and here is painted polish and it's Ochre the Moon. Oh, I love this. It's just like a latte brown with this beautiful like metallic aqua shreds of flakes in it. I love this. I can't wait for you to see it up close. It's going to be so pretty. Love the brush on this polish. Love the formula. It's a winner, and I'm so excited to have it in my collection. Gonna cap my free edge here real quick. There it is. All right, gotta get Woody out. Hi Woody, how you doing? All right, here we go. I'm gonna do a second coat. Okay, there we go. Get it together, Tina. It's a little blurry. I apologize for this. I'm still working on figuring it out. Camera, lighting, all of it. It's just such a mess. I've got a flaky sticking off the end I'm trying to connect back up into the nail. Alrighty, so here we go with our top coat, and today I'm using I&M out the door. Gonna get this one dry down so we can do some play stamping. Definitely gonna do some stamping, gonna get to playing. That looks so pretty smoothed out with that glossy top coat. Love it. Alrighty, here is my swatch photo and love it, love it. Need some more of it. Alright, XY-D03. This is one of the plates I got off of Walmart.com. Didn't even know they had stamping plates like this. But I got a 3-pack, and today we're going to use this one. And after I did the stamping, I was like, oh, I could have turned that around. I don't know what I was thinking. But we are cleaning it off with some acetone and wiping it with a lint-free wipe. And we're just going to get busy using Maniology Pewter. I do have a Maniology discount code down there if you need it in the description box. And here we go. Now you guys know it's got some of the swoops and florals, and you guys know I just can't resist that kind of twirly, swirly stuff. So this plate jumped out at me. Got the image picked up. I'm going to get a piece of tape and remove any excess that I don't want in my design. But I could have turned this around and done that French tip down on the end. Oh, it looks so cute. But it's okay. I still liked it. Cute, cute. Alright, so we're going to clean our stamper off on a lint roller. And then we're going to pick out another image because I'm going to use 5 different images. I wanted to try this plate out. I wanted to give it a real, go. And give it, use more than one image off of it. I really felt like I needed to use more than one image. Trying to see where I'm at. Alright, there we go. Commit to it. It's kind of trying to stick up, so I'm going to mush it down with my finger. That's because I took just a little too long. Paint was drying. Polish was drying on the stamper. Here we go. We're going to get one more. Figure out which one we want. There's just so many cool, and when I saw these plates I was like, oh, that's so abstract and so funky. I have to try it. So we're definitely doing that, and I have a lot of playing in mind with these. I'm just ready to play. Need some time off from the work, the thing that pays the bills and buys the polish. I need some time. I'm peeking in that plate at y'all. As long as it's not looking up my nose, I'm okay with it. Here we go with another itty bitty one over here. But these plates really impressed me. I was really blown away with how well the images picked up. Some plates you struggle with. And this one was not one of those. Get that on the pinky nail over there. Tap, tap. Alright, we got to pick out one more. And I did not have this planned out. It was just pull the plate out and pick and choose as we go along. Oh, they're so pretty. I just like it. I like it. I can see lots of really nice manicures with these. Well, especially this stamping plate. I'll break out the other ones soon, I promise. They're hogging up space on my desk, so as long as they stay in my way and bother me, I'll get around to using them. So there we go. Got them all stamped up. Gonna clean that stamper off on my lint roller again. Put the cap back on it, put it away. And then get this mess over here cleaned up. Got my cotton claw out with some cotton on it and a bit of acetone. And this plate doesn't even look like it's dirty because the silver's just blending right on in. But I wipe it with acetone, and I like to wipe over it with a lint-free wipe. I mean, it's not perfect. It doesn't get it perfectly like clean, like brand new, but it does make it look better. And here I'm going in with a piece of tape and getting some of the excess up off of my skin and hanging off the edge of my nail. Not much cleanup to do here. It's really in pretty good shape. But I am going to go around it with acetone and my cleanup brush. Not much to do, just kind of, you know, squaring it up a little bit. Just straightening it out, just the little bitty bits here and there. Ta-da, ta-da. Loving it. So fun. Alright. And you see I damp into my damping dish to get some on the brush, but then I tap a lot of it off on the paper towel. That way I don't flood everything and mess stuff up. There we go. We're done. Alright, so we're going to top these with some smudge-free top coat from Maniology real quick. I didn't think this one would smear, but I didn't want to risk it because it did turn out pretty good, and I knew that I was going to be wearing it a while. Oh, camera. And now that that's dry, I'm going in with my... No, today I'm not using Poshe. This is the I&M Out the Door. Going to get that over the top of these. It was handy, so that's what we used. Keeping that free edge. Ta-da! Here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I really loved it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.